Welcome to a new tech solutions video. Today I will teach you how to motion track in CapCut on PC. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we need to do is open CapCut and have our video to edit on the timeline. Next, we will go to the text section and add the default text. In the text box, we will type a dot that will be our reference point in the video. Then we will scale the text up a bit. Now we will click on our video and go to the position and size section on the right side. We will click on the small diamond, which is called a keyframe, and this will allow us to track the movement. Now we will advance in the clip and locate the point where we want the tracking to start. We will zoom in our image, which in this case is the ball, and we will position the ball on the dot that we placed as a guide. We will advance again, and now we will move our video to match the dot. We will do this as many times as we want. Finally, we will delete the dot that we placed in the text, and when we play the video, we will see how the motion tracking works. It's very simple. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next tech solutions video.